Here's a view that you'll seldom see if you're a Holgate regular even. We've got our regular guys clamming on the west side of Holgate. And comes the weird part. That's the front beach right there. That's the ocean beach. You can see the sign over there that says Forsyth Refuge. You can also see why it isn't real likely that even though Holgate is cutting there, that a channel will form. You see this sedge back here. There's no deep water nearby. When it broke back in the 30s, there was a real deep channel right near between Holgate and the ocean, west side and the ocean. But this is still a little strange to have the front part of Holgate attached. Here it is right there. It's attached to the back part. Quite strange. It is a blowout tide, but that's where at least part of the sand must be going as it washes in here. It's filling in.